Which of the following curves is dy dx? Dy dx means the slope. Which of the following curves is the slope always positive? Which one do you think? 1, 2, or 3? 1, the slope is negative, and then the slope is positive because it's on its way back up again. 2 always seems to be going slightly upwards, doesn't it? So the answer is 2. All right, let's go over the next one. Which one is the slope always negative? 1. I think it could be both of them, because that's always on its way down, isn't it? And this one here is always on its way down as well. Just goes a bit sidewards, but never goes back upwards, does it? So in that case, there's 2 answers. Curve 1 and curve 3. That's handy so far, isn't it? Okay, let's keep going. All right, question 3. Looks significantly harder, but we'll give it a crack, all right? The graph of this function is shown. It has a maximum and a minimum. The maximum happens at x equals -2, and the minimum happens at x equals 3. Happy days. Explain what is meant by f dash x. F dash x is the first derivative, right? And it has to be bigger than 0. So I think what it's asking us for is, when is the slope bigger than 0? When is the slope bigger than 0? Out of interest. When is the slope positive? Slopes are positive when you're going upwards. So the black region here, that's a positive slope. And this black region here, that's also a positive slope. Does that make sense? Oh, I see. Sorry, I'm using a weird it tries to predict text from my writing. That's what happened there. Is that what happened to the 2 black regions? You cool? Did it do it again? One more time. The 2 red regions now, okay? Everybody see those 2 red regions? You're on your way up. So that means both regions are positive. Now, how would I write that down? Everything to the left of -2, how do you write that down? X is smaller than -2. Everything bigger than 3. Yeah, that's the answer for part 2. Is that okay? Those 2 red parts are the answer for part 2. What about the answer for part 3? Slope is smaller than 0. Where's the slope? Negative. Blue region? What numbers is the blue region in between? So -2 less than x less than, in between those 2. That's what that inequality means, in between both of them. All right? Right. What values is the slope 0? The maximum and the minimum, which is 3. Is that all right?